How do I add funds to my Apple ID balance so that I can use it for Apple Pay?
Hello, welcome to our tutorial on how to add funds to your Apple ID balance so you can use it for Apple Pay. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for anyone to follow along and successfully top up their Apple ID balance.
What is an Apple ID balance?
Your Apple ID balance represents the amount of credit you have in your Apple account. This balance can be used to make purchases across Apple's various stores, including the App Store, iTunes Store, and Apple Books, as well as for Apple Pay transactions.
How to check your Apple ID balance?
Before adding funds, it's a good idea to check your current balance. You can do this by 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top right of the screen. 3. Your balance will be displayed right under your Apple ID.
How to add funds to your Apple ID balance?
Now let's dive into the main procedure, how to add funds to your Apple ID balance. Follow these steps. 1. On your iPhone or iPad, go to the Settings app. 2. Tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. 3. Scroll down and tap on iTunes and App Store. 4. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen and select View Apple ID from the drop-down menu. 5. You might be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, or use Touch ID or Face ID for verification. 6. Scroll down to the Add Funds to Apple ID option and tap on it. 7. Select the amount you want to add, or tap Other to enter a custom amount. 8. Confirm the payment using your preferred payment method associated with your Apple ID. Remember, the added funds can be used across all Apple services and for your Apple Pay transactions. And that's it. You've successfully added funds to your Apple ID balance. Now, you can utilize these funds for Apple Pay and other Apple services. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your Apple experience.